Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be showing you what I got from Walmart. So yeah, please don't mind my nails and the nail polish. I just like it that way. But before I get into the video, please subscribe, hit that like button, and the bell button. Okay, let's get started. So I went to Walmart seeing if I find like any Neatos or monkey noodles. Sadly, no luck. Wah, wah, wah. But the only two fidgets I found were squishy. So I think it's called Squishy Yums Goodies and Series 2. And I got this like donut cat one, has like pink drizzles. And I got this one and this milkshake one. But I'll be showing you there's more to collect. So, looks delicious and Squish to Fun Series 2. Oh, squeeze my goodness. Collect Yum All. Sunny Pineapple Milk. Twin Scoops. Kitty Donut. Yum Shake. Panda Donut. Yum Coffee. Okay, the first one I'll be opening is this donut. I can't wait. It says deliciously squishy. Okay, so it has like a little tear. Open up from there. Okay, I got it open. Oh, so I will be testing them if they're good or not. So it looks like, and these were $3 each, which are like expensive for squishies, but yeah, I mean it is how it is. Oh my god, it feels so soft, guys. Oh, such a good angle. So my cousin had this, but like what is it called, like I wouldn't say the skin, but I don't know what else to call it, but the skin was like, half of it was taken off, but it's super slow rising. I love it. It's a cat donut. Orange ears, pink nose, and pink drizzling. Super slow rising. I love it. And I rate it a 10 out of 10. I really like this. On the couch, when I was sitting down with my mom, I was like, I kind of don't want to open these. But now, since they're so fun and slow-rising, it's like before I even open them, like I just want to open them. Super fun. I love it. 10 out of 10. Okay, let's open up the milkshake one. I will put it right here so you guys can see it. Got the milkshake. Another tear right here. Okay, that apart. Ooh, can't wait for the milkshake. Whoa! Wait. This cat donut's softer than the milkshake, but like the milkshake has drizzle, like vanilla drink, like some vanilla liquid. It says Yum Coffee with a red straw. Okay. Let's compare the squish. I really don't. Okay. I really don't know. I think the milkshake is like, I wouldn't say like super big, but I think it's like big for my hands. That's why it might not be too slow rising. But I love the milkshake. It's a 10 out of 10. Okay guys, that'll be the end for today's unboxing. But before I end this video, please subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell button. Bye!